Hello and welcome guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell on the Trust Wallet app by using a browser extension known as Pancakeswap. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to locate your Trust Wallet app. Mine is on my home screen, so we're going to make use of that. You click on the Trust Wallet app. Whilst you're logging in, you'd be met with a prompt to input your passcode, like so. And once you're done inputting your passcode, you head down to the D app section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, you're going to be looking for one of the best exchange platforms known as Pancakeswap. Some honorable mentions are Uniswap Exchange and Compound. We're clicking on Pancakeswap right now. You give it some time to load up, and we're going to be selling some specific coins based on the network we chose. In order to set the network you're looking for, you simply go to the top of the app, click on the smart chain icon, and a list of networks pops up, like the Ethereum and the Ethereum Classic and many other coin networks. And once you're done, you select the coins you wish to sell. The arrow down signifies the coin you wish to sell. So I'd like to get USDT for the BNB. Click on that, and the arrow down signifies the coin you wish to sell. Sorry for being repetitive. We click on BNB. One BNB is equivalent to 243 USDT, and 244 USDT is equivalent to 1 BNB. Alright guys, the amount you chose to swap or sell vary from coin to coin and from the medium or ways in which you're selling. Like we could also use cake coin, and in order to get one cake, it's going to cost about 3.390 USDT, and that's basically it guys. It's quite simple to sell on Trust Wallet by using Pancakeswap. Alright guys, thank you for joining us on today's video. If you have any questions regarding how to sell on Trust Wallet, comment down below, and have a good one.